In today's video, I'm going to show you how in WhatsApp you can make your messages disappear after a certain period of time so that it cuts down the amount of space on your phone. So if you found value in this video, please like and subscribe at the end. Go into WhatsApp and select the contact that you want the messages to disappear after the set period that you want. So tap on the contact name. And there you can see disappear messages set for 7 days for my contact. Tap on the disappearing messages. You can see you can set the disappearing messages for how long you want. You can see it's sending me a message to show that I've just got the disappearing messages selected to disappear after 7 days. If you learnt something today, go on and watch another video and learn a bit more. Or subscribe to watch the latest videos coming out.